No, actually, in reality, I'm quiet as hell half the time. Like you guys, the only major difference that you guys get with stream versus myself, like off stream, is I'm just like quieter, but it could also be because my social battery gets drained after stream. So there is that, but you know, I don't know. I have sometimes I'm talkative, other times I have like very few words to say in a day.
It's understandable.
It's the social anxiety for me.
So,
Not true. He never shuts off. It's true.
What is this place?
Okay. I had to double check to make sure he was going the other way. I don't know. For me, for the most part, when it comes to like talking, just with people in general, okay. I was gonna say like, I like you have to kind of get me on like the right subject to get me talking, like mad kind of thing. Get me on something I'm like passionate about, and yeah. Like,
oopsies.
all right.
Oh.
Alright, well, judging by that shitty ass sissy line, Grandpa's right above that exit, which I'm glad I opened that one then.
You can do this. Think.
You like smoking more to get you to shut up. See, all I know is if I'm ever intoxicated, I just laugh a lot. That's it. I'm just a giggly bastard. Everything's funny. I think I'm like the funniest person alive. Whoa! Okay. Alright, so we're at one stab, by the way, chat. Need an exclamation or stab for that one stab. Any takers on the command.
These are bones. God. Who are these people?
Okay. Was that the first one this game? Yes. Yes, it was. You're good. Ooh, there's a bone pile right there too. Oh, thank you. Alright. 2 out of 10. It's another stab.
Is this human? Don't even think about it, Anna. Just stay calm.
3. Oh no, what'd Baldur's Gate do? Did something bad happen in Baldur's Gate? Alright, that's 4.
There's gotta be something I can use around here.
Why is this door just open?
And then identify for some reason my allies became temporarily hostile and started fighting me instead. What?
Knife, maybe.
Alright, 5.
Stay away from me, you monster!
Oh! No! No, ma'am!
Wait,
Ugh.
what's that?
Sissy and equipped it on me.
I should hang on to this. It's sharp.
Oh, she forced you out.
Yeah, they both forced me.
6.
All 3 of them are out the main door right now. Sunny's keeping them distracted.
Oh, fuck. Well, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this now. Because you know they're gonna rush right back here.
Yeah.
Seven. We're at 7, chat. Yeah, fuck that game. Well, yeah, I was like, that sounds so bullshit though, that they literally are like, yeah, no, your allies hate you now. Sorry. Fuck you.
Oh, sugar!
Fuck off. On OP, maybe. They got him to level 1. Alright.
Please let this stuff be safe.
Oh, they're
Here's Bubba.
okay. So what I need to do is I need to do another objective to start pressuring them a little bit. They make them think I'm done with the stabbing. That's gonna be about the only. What? How does he know? Does he know? What?
Ooh. Bro, I stopped breathing for a minute there. I was like, ooh.
Yeah, I was like, you stream sniping bastards? Hello? Like, y'all really covered the house because you're scared about Grandpa being stabbed. Oh, I don't care about the. Can I stab you? Thank you. Oh! Wrong door! Wrong door! Sorry.
Sorry.
My bad, wrong house, wrong residency. Jesus Christ.
How many was that?
We're at 8.
8.
There's not a heal.
What's that over there?
No. I didn't want to open that door.
But was like, oh no more.
I mean, they're in my stream anyway. Hi, Bubba. How you doing, Bubba? Gonna let me get my challenge done, Bubba? It's okay, you can type.
I came.
I wish Bubba would come too. Nine. We're at 9, chat. Alright. Alright, they're I think they're trying to level him up again. Or they're still watching. Just gonna ignore the fact that the cook was sitting right there.
This'll help the pain.
Alright. They're camping it so hard. Ten. That's 10. That's fine. That's fine. We're still alive as long as no one's down here. Okay. Okay. We just have to get out. We have to get out now.
I'm pretty sure all the doors by like where the actual gas station are
What do I
unlocked,
do?
or at least the main one. If you
What do
go
I
through the
do?
house or through the gas station, and then the one to the left of it.
Wait, with the what is in the what now? Sorry.
So the door that leads just like straight out from the gas station, they have to like go through the gas station to get to,
Yeah.
is open.
Okay.
And then the gate next to the gas station on the left is also unlocked.
Okay.
I don't know if that made any sense.
Yes. No, they're here. I need a different exit. No, I did get. I don't know what she's talking about. Okay.
But the generator might be on, so your best bet would have to be going through the gas station.
Okay. It's that door up ahead, right?
Yeah.
In God's name.
Like that gate right there is unlocked.
Please.
Yes, I unlocked it. Yeah, see the generator's on, so try the door inside.
Crap. Quiet.
There you go.
Holy shit. Holy shit. We doing it. We fucking doing it. There we go.
Oh, thank God.
Pay up, bro.
Pay up.
Oh. 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 67 stabs. Oh. Holy shit.
Let's go.
Even with hit you shot sitting there potentially stream sniping. Potentially. Not sure. Just a little sussy on his part, but I don't think so. I think he probably would have fully killed me. But goddamn. Ugh.
I haven't seen such
That's
a
a
beautiful
bubble
bubble
since I was a child. I love that
GG
one.
fucking GGPPs is love, PPs is life.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Alright, you gotta pay the gamba out. Believers. You won the big pot. Pendulum, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, during one of my victim games today, I was
I loaded in a Sunny,
Oh.
but I don't have
Yes,
Sunny
he's a
leveled,
god.
so I was like, "Hey, Connie, can we switch?" And then one of the others said,
Oh.
like, because the Connie was